No, please translate into English first.
This question is regarding a verse which we in our Jamaat we use to prove the truth of Hazrat Imam Mahdi alayhi salam, and I will ask Imam Sahab to find the reference. And Brother Munir mentioned that some Arabs, they do say that we have no authority to use it in the right of Hazrat Imam Mahdi alayhi salam. It was specifically said for Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. لا تقول علينا بعضنا.
Yes. تقبل علينا بعض القابيل أخذنا منه باليمين ثم لقطعناه منه الوتين وما منكم من أحد عنه حاجزين. This is the full verse. The fact is that unless it is a generalized matter of general principle applicable to all prophets, it cannot prove the truth of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam at all. Because if the Arabs were told that if Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam had said something, we would have killed him, they would have asked why. Why does it become a proof? In fact, if other prophets before him were treated like this by Allah, then we could consider it as a proof about Rasulullah Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Otherwise, it's no proof. Then the Holy Quran says, لَأَخَذْنَا مِنْهُ بِالْيَمِينِ ثُمَّ لَقَطَعْنَا مِنْهُ الْوَتِينَ فَمَا مِنْكُمْ مِنْ أَحَدٍ عَنْهُ حَاجِزِينَ. That you believe that he has said something against Allah, about Allah, or claimed to have received even small wahi from Allah. It is impossible. Even if he has said concocted the smallest wahi attributed to Allah, we would have caught him. So why particularly Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam to be caught if he had said anything? If all others were totally free and let loose by Allah, why Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Allah was not an enemy of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In fact, they do misunderstand the interpretation. The fact is that they thought people are helping him. Like the Arab said, some people are at his back. Allah says, no, it's not the question. If all the people try to hurt him, we will save him. And it's up to us to save him. And if you join hands together to destroy him, we will not permit this to happen to him. Only we can destroy him if we decide. And because he is true in everything, in all wahi, not only in a small concoction of wahi, so the result is exactly the opposite. Right?